Hey guys, it's Alice here. Welcome back to my baking channel. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe. So, I have angel food cake and I'm super excited to make this because with angel food cake, it's like so good. It's like fluffy in your mouth and you can't stop eating it. So, we're gonna make angel food cake. And all you need, if you have like that batter, you're gonna need 1 1/3 cups of water and 1 cup of water. So there is on a big measuring cup for me, there's a 1/3, and the 1/3 is above the 1, and that's 1 1/3. But I just wanted to be more like, I wanted to know it because I already know these, so I just wanted to do that. So I have my mixer already here, and I have like these medicine things, vitamins, that my family eats, and this hot sauce container to like, so I can put the, cause look, I have this pan, and when you have this pan, or when you have any pan, most of the angel food cake have a little hole in them. So you want it to be like that, because when you do that, it makes it have like more fluffy. But if you just set it down like that, it won't be all poofy and all that stuff. So first thing you're gonna want to do is I'm gonna open up my angel food cake batter. And let's see if I can smell from that. You're gonna want to heat your oven for 300. Okay, it's preheating. And now you're going to. I'm gonna go ahead and get scissors, so I'll see you when I get scissors. And this pan is called a bundt pan. And it helps if you leave it like that, then it deflates. But if you leave it like that, it won't deflate. It'll be fluffy. So now I'm gonna pour into my mixer the batter. And when you pour your mix, you wanna put it in your mixer. Okay guys, so I poured my mix into here, and I'm gonna put this up again. Oh, there we go. How to push it. And now you're going to want to mix your water with it. You're going to pour your water into your bowl. And I'm just going to scrape off if any batter that is on these sides. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good. Deliciousness. Smells like deliciousness. So then I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to put it in low speed. So I'm going to put it for like about 2 or 4. I will put it for 2. And then once it gets like moist and all that stuff, like I said in a couple of my videos, I would put it up to 4. So you're gonna want to do it for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and push the timer. 30. Okay. And then I'm going to set it down, lock it. And here's a trick. Whenever you lock it, I'm gonna push up to make sure it's hot. And now I'm gonna plug in my mixer. And I'm gonna want to put it up to number 2. And then when it gets all, you know what, put it up to 1. Okay, so I'll see you when I'm all done mixing. Remember, 30 seconds. Alright guys, so it has been, and guys, it is so fluffy right now. Oh my gosh, this is so fluffy. Like, look how high it is. Usually a batter is like only this high. It's like this high. I'm gonna Alright guys, so now you're just gonna want to put it into the mixer for now a minute at medium speed. So I would put it to 6. So I'm gonna shut this, put it up to 6, and 1 minute. So see you when 1 minute's over. So you guys do not have to spray this. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna unlock your bowl from your mixer, and you're gonna pour your mix into your pan. Okay, now I'm going to just spread the mix, and I'll see you when I get this into the oven. Alright guys, so you're just gonna want to put this in the oven till my finger. So you're just gonna want to put this into the oven for whenever the top turns like a little bit brown. Like brown, but not burnt. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. So you're gonna want to put the top pan a little bit higher so it can have like about 3 or 4 inches above it. And you're gonna want to put it on the bottom pan, the bottom little thing. So we'll see you when this angel food is all ready. And remember, you're supposed to watch it till it gets like the top gets like a golden brown. So I'll see you when that is out of the oven. Alright guys, so it's out of the oven, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put this. So I'm gonna put this like right here. You're gonna wanna put this
Look.
right here. So what you're gonna do,
Look. I'm going to get on this tractor, right?
glove.
Is it on? Pull this out. Towards me.
So what you're gonna want to put is you're gonna want to put that hole, and you want to put it through there, and then you have something sanding it. So I'll see you when I'm done doing it. Alright guys, so it's all done. You're gonna let it like cool down. When the pan is all cooled down, that's when you can probably take it out of the pan and take it, flip it over. And guys, let me show you the final product. My family has already started eating this. Like halfway done. So this is what it looks like. And guys, let me rip off a piece and let me show you this. It's like so fluffy. It's like slime. So fluffy. So satisfying. So bye guys. I hope you liked my video, and make sure you guys subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe.